Entropy is a fascinating concept that measures disorder within a system, influencing everything from thermodynamics to information theory. In our universe, entropy tends to increase, which means that systems naturally evolve from order to chaos. For example, imagine your bedroom after a week without cleaning. It goes from neat to messy, echoing the second law of thermodynamics. Interestingly, entropy also plays a critical role in how we understand the flow of time, pointing to a future filled with potential randomness. So, the next time you witness the melting ice cube or a tire going flat, remember, you're observing the universe's intricate dance with entropy.